Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Bell Synth using Sylenth1. It's quite a nice sound that layers with other sounds really well, both with leads, and it sounds really nice with piano too. It's great to use with quite a lot of reverb as well to really have a big release on it. Okay, so here's what it sounds like. And in order to get this, we're just going to open up our Sylenth1. We're going to go into Menu, Preset, and then Insert. So we have a blank canvas to work with. Okay, so we're just going to be using oscillators A1 and A2, and on A1 we want to select a sine wave and have two voices on that. We want to turn the octave up by 1 as well, and turn the volume down to about 6 or so. Phase is fine where it is. We want to turn detune up to about 1.5, just under, and that'll sound quite nice. Stereo is fine where it is, and so is pan. Now onto oscillator A2, we want to select a pulse wave and also two voices on that, but we want to turn the octave up by 3, and we want to turn the volume down to about the same amount too. Detune is also going up as well, but higher than before, so we want that on about 3.5 to 4. Phase is fine where it is, so is stereo and pan. Okay, so lastly over here we have the ADSR envelope, and we want to turn the sustain right down. And we want to turn both the decay and release up to about 6 or so, 6.5 on both of them, so they're roughly equal. And now we want to go over to our filter A. Both of these can stay where they are, as with this actually, and we could turn the cutoff right up and just put a little bit of drive on it to about 1 or so, as you can see over there. Okay, so now we just want to put a couple of effects on it, and we want to put a bit of delay on. Just make sure ping pong's ticked. And for the left and the right, that's kind of up to you. I like to use alternating ones, so I have 1/4 triplet on the left and then 1/8 dotted on the right. Low cut's fine where it is. High cut we turn to about 8K or so. We turn smear all the way up. Spread's fine where it is. Turn the feedback down a little to about 40. Width's fine, and then we turn the dry and wet down to about 35. Okay, so here's what it sounds like now. So of course this is all yours to play around with. Having drive on it is up to you. So here's what it sounds like. That's what it sounded like with the drive. And here's what it is without. So it's only subtle, but it just gives it a little bit of grit, I find, which is quite nice. Compression is also quite good on it, so a nice soft ratio on that, about 2 to 1. Threshold's fine, tack's fine, and then just like a nice long release on it. So this is a nice sound just to complement others you have going on in your track, or just to add a nice bit of high end to it. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.